Okay guys, how we doing this morning? Yesterday we spoke a little bit about this heavy duty Turbo 400 that Custom Axle designed and built to go along with this heavy duty 205 circular bolt pattern case. I just want to touch up on something a little bit this morning. We talked briefly yesterday about brace case. I want to explain to you what a brace case is. On the front of this transmission housing, you'll see 3 bolt holes on each side of the transmission. That is to take a heavy duty cover such as this right here. This will go up here such as this. And turn it around to where it needs to be. But anyway, this will go up here like this right here, and it'll bolt to here. And then, if it's done correctly, the way it was done at the factory, you'll have a couple braces that's similar to this, and then you'll have a couple brackets like this. These brackets will go behind your motor mounts, and these will hook into here and run down to your brace case. The reason we have a brace case application in a lot of heavy-duty four-wheel drives is early on, when they would hang a heavy-duty cast iron transfer case to the back of a Turbo 350, back of a Turbo 400, the big torque of the engine and everything that they had would actually break the case where it bolts to the motor. So GM come up with a brace case, and what this does, this allows you to have this stuff in place to stop the twisting of the transmission and the transfer case. Now, another thing over here on the transfer case is a place that you can put another bar. You'd have a bar that would bolt here to your transfer case, and this would go over and bolt onto your frame, or you could bring it up here and bolt it onto the brace case. This would actually stop the torque twist in the transfer case and eliminate the broken housings. So that's kind of what we call a brace case. I want to go over that with you today real quick. The other thing I want to talk to you about real quick is this torque converter. This is a special torque converter that we had built for this application based on the customer's tire size, engine, cam lifting, and everything that we did. This is a 2800 to 3200 stall torque converter that the customer explicitly ordered, and it works really well in his application. Now, what you got to be careful of is that all torque converters, all stalls in the torque converters are varied based on the application. You just can't take any old torque converter, throw it into any old transmission and expect to get good performance. It's not going to work. So that's it in a nutshell.